is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county: Tehama, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for south central Tehama County in Northern California until 3:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 2:38 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Vina, or 11 miles east of Corning, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Tehama County. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following county: Tehama, California.